Hey guys, it's Alexis.
And I'm Kira.
And today we're going to show you 2 Pinterest-inspired short hairstyles on Kira. 'Cause she actually has shorter hair right now. There was a bug on my knee. Anyway, maybe it wasn't a bug. Okay, let's get started! We're going to take a section of hair from about a little above her ear. So there's some hair in between, maybe like an inch on both sides. So we're gonna take a little clear hair elastic. We're gonna leave some down in the front. I changed my mind. So that it'll make it look softer. After you have it the way that you want, we're gonna take this little clear elastic and we're gonna try our best to make a messy bun. So, oh, he's just talking to us tonight. So I took most of the hair, some of it's still out. I'm gonna go around it the other way. And I'm gonna take another little baby elastic and do the same thing, just to try to get it to stay. Okay. Just kind of mess with it so that you get it how you like. Messy buns are hard for me. I don't know. But so once you kind of get an idea, then we can take and loosen this top part. We're gonna take a couple bobby pins and just pin down the parts that are kind of sticking up funny. But make sure to keep it messy. After that, this is optional, but I'm gonna take a teasing comb and just tease a little at the roots so that it looks a little more voluminous. Okay, and I'm going to take this Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the ends of her hair to give it a little more texture, be a little more beachy. Oh, and also I should add, before this, we just curled her hair with a flat iron a little bit, just because that's how she wanted the bottom. Okay, this is what it looks like. You get to see all our film equipment. So beautiful. We're gonna get a little section of hair right here. Is that right? Right here. So that it's like, I don't know how far that is, an inch from her hairline, and it's probably like 2 or 3 inches long, and it's the same length, or the same width. Wow, I don't even know. Anyways, so we're gonna take this one and we're gonna do a little braid. So once the hair reaches around the back, I'm gonna have her hold it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little circle of hair from where you did the braid, and you can also do a little under it. Just make sure it's not too big because this next part might be difficult. We secured one braid, and the section we sectioned off, and we're securing the other braid. Then we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out this hair tie, and I'm gonna include the braids in this. And then I'm gonna try my best to do kind of a loose, I don't know, section thing. Sorry, that light keeps distracting me. We have this motion sensor light. Okay, and after I do that, I'm gonna take out the little hair ties on the little braids. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the middle of this, put your 2 fingers through, grab the hair underneath it, and pull it through, and kind of tighten it. And then you can mess with it, do kind of whatever, so that you think it looks good. You can change how loose it is. I think this would be really cute with like a bow. Okay, so then, once that is done, you are done. So easy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's a kitty back there, and our tripod, of course, and Kira.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe and check us out on Instagram. And we also have a new exciting thing coming for our upcoming video, so stay tuned for that, and bye!
Bye!
This is what it looks like. Spin. Spin really fast. Keep spinning. Just kidding.
It's just your eyes. So I said,
Where's Alexis?
I'm Alexis. Kira.
Wait, we need
Kira. Kira. Stop. What? You almost took me out. Hey guys, it's Alexis and Kira. I have like a stage voice.
try that again. I think
Hey guys, I'm Alexis and Kira.
You're Alexis and Kira.
Yeah, I've been keeping a secret on this channel. I am
get the
both,
best.
actually.
Ew.
Just kidding. I just put on a wig like Hannah Montana and I'm her. We look so similarly, don't we? I'm gonna start writing poems while we're filming. Are you ready?
I feel like you are.
Kira's hair has golden lines, just like the light across the horizon. Poems don't have to rhyme. It's dark again, isn't it? It's kind of dark. Focus on her face.
Watching, make sure to like this video and also subscribe.
Subscribe.